Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm so excited to share with you guys because I finally have the finished products in my hands. So I already got a sample of my creation, which is the puzzle that I created inside of Artistly, and I got two. This is 110 pieces of puzzles, and this is the other one that is 252. So I created this inside of Artistly with a simple prompt. So if you are following along with my AI creator vault journey, you know we are all about turning creativity into a reality. And today we're going to look at my brand new jigsaw puzzle collection. So I'm gonna open this one, guys, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside, the quality inside. So I ordered this and it came inside of the box. It's like this. So this is the design that I created inside of Artistly, and the other design is this one apple, just a simple apple for kids for my preschool class. I created this one, so it's 252 pieces, so you can decide how many pieces that you want for your design. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one first and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So the AI handled the colors perfectly, and the export quality was spot for a large scale print. So I choose Printify to handle the manufacturing, and I have to say the quality is impressive. As you see, guys, you see the style of the box for this one, and for the other one is this one, but you can choose which style that you want. So let's open this one first, and the box is like this, you see, guys, and there is a plastic inside. Okay, and there you go. So this is the 110 pieces of puzzles, and so here is the label where it's written the warning and where they came from. So I'm gonna take a few pieces of this to show you guys how it looks like and how glossy it is. And over here, just like that, and as you see, guys. Alright, so I chose Printify to handle the manufacturing, and I have to say the quality is impressive. The gloss, it has a premium glossy coating on top of that really makes the AI generated art shine. And the pieces are thick and durable. And the packaging arrived in great condition. Like, it feels like something you'd pick up at a high-end boutique. So I might rate this 8 out of 10. Okay, so for this puzzle. So I'm going to open the other one, which is this one. This is for adults. Okay, I created it for adults, and this is for children's puzzle. So inside, when you open the box, there is no, oh sorry, I don't want to, there is no plastic inside. So it's really like all the pieces of puzzles that you can, make it. So this is 252 pieces of puzzle. As you see, guys, there's a, like on top of it, it's kind of glossy a little bit. And the gloss, it has a premium glossy coating like the apple. So it's like kind of the same, it's just it's not inside of the plastic bag. So the pieces are thick and durable also. It's too small. So the packaging, the box arrived like this. So this is how I got this sample of my creation inside of Artistly. So I'm already started selling these boxes to some of the local schools here, and I'm so happy with the result. It's one thing to see your art on a screen, but seeing people in the community enjoy it is as a physical game in a whole different level of satisfying. So big thanks to Artistly for making this design to process. And if you want to see more on my tutorial, I am building the bolt inside of my school. So I'm inviting you guys to go to my school. I will put the link in the description. Join and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've got a few questions saying that how did you handle the branding of the school scale? So Printify allows you to customize the box. I make sure that the packaging reflected the quality of Artistly design, so the schools felt they were getting a professional educational tool. Another question is the glossy finish better for kids? Yes, The glossy layer actually adds a bit of protection against fingerprints, so which is perfect for us classroom settings. So those are all the questions that I've got, and if you have any more questions, just let me know, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.